Hey everyone, today we're diving into the EcoPost replacement postage meter sheet tape, specifically designed for FP Mailing Solutions Post-Base series, including models 20, 30, 45, 65, 85, Integra, Pro, and Prods. This tape is tailored to meet USPS requirements, ensuring hassle-free mailing. Now, what sets this apart is the practicality. With 2 labels per sheet and a whopping 1,000 labels per box, you're getting a considerable supply that lasts. The material, made of durable plastic, ensures longevity and reliability in your postage needs. The rectangular shape of the labels fits seamlessly into your FP Mailing Solutions Postbase machine, making the replacement process a breeze. No more fumbling around with awkwardly shaped labels. For businesses or individuals handling a substantial volume of mail, this EcoPost solution can streamline your postage tasks efficiently. It's all about convenience, and this product delivers. So, if you're looking for a reliable, USPS-compliant replacement postage meter sheet tape for your FP Mailing Solutions Postbase machine, the EcoPost brand has you covered. Stick around as we explore the practicality and functionality of this essential mailing supply. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.